Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can use noise suppression on Discord, so let's get started. Noise suppression is an invaluable feature that uses AI technology to filter out distracting background noises like keyboard typing, fan whirring, or background conversations, ensuring your voice remains clear to your friends. To enable and configure this feature, first navigate to the user settings by clicking on the gear icon, typically located near your username in the bottom left corner of the Discord window. Once in the Settings panel, scroll down to the App Settings section and select Voice and Video. Scroll down again within the Voice and Video settings until you find the Noise Suppression section. Here, you have three primary options. The default is often crisp, which uses advanced, AI-powered noise filtering to achieve the highest level of clarity, making it ideal for environments with heavy or sudden background noise, though it may consume more processing power. The second option is Standard, which uses Discord's built-in, less resource-intensive basic noise cancellation, suitable for lighter background sounds like a quiet fan. The third option is None, which disables all noise suppression, ensuring that every sound picked up by your microphone is transmitted. Choose the option that best fits your environment and equipment, and the setting will be automatically applied across all your voice channels and calls, instantly providing you with a cleaner audio experience. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.